In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Kali Linux on your VMware application. So first of all, we'll go to the Kali Linux application, then click on download. Then it will bring you to this page to choose a platform that you want to install Kali in. So we are going to select virtual machines. And then you can scroll down, then you're going to see VMware. Okay, so you can select the torrent version or you can select direct download. So I'll select VMware. As you can see, we have our Kali Linux downloading. So I'll go to the VMware website whereby we'll be able to download the VMware Workstation. So you can get the VMware Workstation Pro version for free. So VMware Workstation Pro for PC. We'll select that. Then you're going to be required to create an account. So you're going to come up here. Then you're going to say register. Then make sure you provide an email. You clear this captcha. So you can see our Kali Linux has completed downloading, and I already downloaded the VMware Workstation Pro. So you're going to need the 7-zip application. So make sure you download it from their website. I'm going to provide the link below of all these resources that we downloaded. So you're going to right click, then show more options, then 7-zip, then extract here. As we wait for it to extract, maybe we can install the VMware Workstation. So double click. Okay, so you'll be presented by this VMware Workstation Pro setup wizard. So I'm going to say next. Then I'll accept terms and license agreement. So next. Then I'm going to say next again. Group, so I'm going to say next. Then I'm going to say next. Then install. So it's going to install. So we'll wait for it to install. So after it has finished setting up, you can just click finish. Then we have our VMware Workstation application here. So I'm going to open it. Then we have our VMware Workstation here. To load the Kali Linux, I'm going to select Open Virtual Machine. Then I'll navigate to the location where I have my Kali machine. So I'll go to this VMware folder, then Kali Linux, then I'm going to select this, then open. And you can see now we have our Kali Linux machine. I'm going to do some changes to this machine. So first of all, maybe I can begin by changing the name. So I'm going to say Kali Linux. Then, okay, it has detected the operating system, then power, shared folder. Okay, you can create a shared folder if you'd like, that you can be able to share files between your Kali and your Windows operating system. Maybe I can do that. So I'm going to say add, so that I can show you also that. Then I'm going to select a path. So maybe I can say this backup. Then I'll click a drop down, then VMware. Then I can create a folder. Then I'm going to call this shares. So, okay, I'll leave it as default because I might want to copy some files also to that particular folder. So I'm going to say finish, created a shared folder. Then snapshots, you can create snapshots, auto protect, and all that. So I'll leave these others as default. On the hardware, maybe I can increase the RAM to 4 GB. And the processors, okay, I can leave it as default. Then for the network, you can choose the network type that you'd like. So for now, I'll just leave it at NAT. But you can also create a custom network for your virtual machines. So USB, I can leave it default, everything default. Then I'm going to say okay. Then I'll start my Kali machine. So our Kali machine is up, so we'll be presented by this login screen. So the default credentials are usually Kali. for the username and Kali for the password. Then you can see right now we are inside the Kali home screen. Okay, so that's how you install Kali Linux in your VMware workstation.